Today, we're diving into a classic DSLR that changed the game for many photographers when it was released back in 2008, the Nikon D90. Design build quality: the Nikon D90 feels solid in hand, with a polycarbonate body over a metal frame. It's not too heavy at around 703 grams, but it still feels durable. The grip is deep and comfortable, making it easy to hold for long shooting sessions. Image quality: the colors are rich, skin tones are natural, and detail is impressive for a 12MP sensor. Dynamic range is strong, and with the right lens, you can get professional-looking shots even today. Video capability: one of the groundbreaking features of the Nikon D90 was that it was the first DSLR to introduce video recording. It could shoot 720p HD video at 24 frames per second. While video was more of a bonus than a strong feature, battery life is excellent, with the ENEL3E battery delivering around 850 shots per charge, which is still impressive today compared to many mirrorless models. Overall, the Nikon D90 is a legendary DSLR that made history. For beginners and hobbyists, it still offers great image quality at a very affordable used price. Thank you so much.